Big Brother 27 is heating up faster than ever, and Week 7 has brought one of the most intense nomination ceremonies of the season. With alliances fracturing, secret deals being exposed, and the game entering a crucial turning point, the new head of household, Ho, had a massive decision to make. Fans have been waiting to see who would take power after a wild Week 6 eviction, and now that the results are in, the tension inside the Big Brother house has exploded once again. Spoilers ahead, the Week 7 nominations are official, and the HOH's choices have left the entire house reeling. After a dramatic head of household competition that tested endurance and focus, the new Ho was crowned, and their victory immediately shifted the balance of power. This player has been considered a strategic threat for weeks, quietly building alliances while avoiding the direct line of fire. However, this week, they couldn't hide any longer. Winning Ho forced them into the spotlight, and the house guests quickly began scrambling to secure safety. Conversations ran late into the night, with deals, promises, and plenty of manipulation filling the air. The Ho listened carefully to every plea, but it soon became clear that they already had a plan in mind, one that would send shockwaves through the entire house. By Friday morning, the mood in the house was thick with paranoia. Everyone was whispering, wondering who would be going on the block. Some house guests felt confident due to their social relationships, while others feared that their game had reached a dead end. In a surprising twist, the Ho decided not to target the obvious threats. Instead, they went after 2P players who have been floating under the radar but influencing the game behind the scenes. The official Week 7 nominations are a move that few saw coming. These nominations instantly created division in the house, with some applauding the bold gameplay while others accused the Ho of betraying their alliance. For weeks, fans have watched the main alliance of the season dominate competitions and control votes, but cracks have started to appear. The HOH's decision to target these two players may signal a complete shift in loyalty. Many viewers believe this move could mark the beginning of the end for one of the strongest groups in Big Brother 27 history. Some players have already started plotting revenge, while others are trying to align themselves with the Ho to ensure safety going forward. Inside the house, the tension is at an all-time high. In true Big Brother fashion, the nominated house guests didn't take the news quietly. One of them reportedly confronted the Ho shortly after the ceremony, accusing them of breaking a promise and playing a dirty game. The heated exchange echoed through the house, with other players quickly taking sides. Meanwhile, the Ho remained calm and collected, insisting that the nominations were purely strategic and not personal. However, fans watching the live feeds know there's more to the story. This decision seems fueled by both revenge and fear of future competition threats. The nominations have also left the power of veto competition looming larger than ever. With so much at stake, both nominees are determined to fight for their lives in the game. If either manages to win the veto, it could completely blow up the HOH's strategy and force them to reveal even more about their true alliances. Viewers are already speculating about who the potential replacement nominee could be if the veto is used. A few names have been whispered on the feeds, including some players who thought they were safe this week. This uncertainty is adding even more drama to what is shaping up to be one of the most chaotic weeks of the season. Outside the house, Big Brother fans are buzzing on social media. Many are calling this the boldest move of the season so far, while others think the Ho might have made a huge mistake. Some argue that by targeting quieter players, the Ho is missing a chance to take out one of the major physical or social threats still in the game. Others, however, see it as a smart long-term strategy, eliminating strong social players who could manipulate the jury later on. Either way, this decision has sparked endless debate online, and it's clear that the fan base is completely divided. One thing everyone agrees on, though, is that Big Brother 27 is finally delivering the unpredictable, high-stakes gameplay fans crave. Week 7 is turning out to be a game changer, and every move from here on could determine who makes it to the finale. The alliances that once seemed unbreakable are now fragile, and trust is disappearing fast. The house guests know that at this stage, every conversation, every competition, and every vote could define their entire game. Interestingly, this week's Ho has been quietly setting up a safety net in case their nominations backfire. According to whispers on the live feeds, they've already secured secret deals with multiple players across different alliances. It's a risky approach. Promising safety to everyone rarely ends well in the Big Brother house, but if they can keep their story straight, it could buy them valuable time. If not, they might become the next big target once their reign is over. The two nominees, on the other hand, are not going down without a fight. One has been campaigning hard, trying to expose the HOH's alliances and flip the house's perception. The other has taken a quieter route, appealing to emotional connections and long-standing friendships. Both are determined to stay, and their contrasting strategies could lead to some explosive conversations before the next eviction. Already, rumors are swirling that one nominee has uncovered a hidden alliance that could change everything if revealed publicly. If that information comes out before the veto ceremony, the entire game could flip upside down again. The nomination fallout has also created unexpected alliances among house guests who were previously enemies. Players who once refused to speak are now working together, united by a common goal, to survive another week. These temporary partnerships could reshape the power dynamics going into week 8, making it nearly impossible to predict what will happen next. Even longtime fans are admitting that this season has become one of the most unpredictable in recent Big Brother history. As always, Big Brother thrives on chaos, and this week is no exception. The HOH's nominations have not only changed the course of the game but also set the stage for a possible blindside during the next eviction. If the power of veto shakes things up, we could see one of the biggest betrayals yet, or an unexpected act of loyalty that shocks everyone. The only certainty is that nothing in this house stays secret for long, and by the time eviction night arrives, everything could change once again. For now, all eyes are on the veto competition. Will one of the nominees manage to save themselves and force the HO to make a risky replacement? Or will the plan stay intact, sending one of these two players out of the game for good? Either way, Week 7 of Big Brother 27 is proving to be one of the most explosive yet, filled with backstabbing, emotional breakdowns, and strategic brilliance. With the jury phase approaching, every eviction now carries massive weight. The players left in the house know that each decision will follow them to the end, influencing how the jury votes when the time comes. Winning the game isn't just about surviving another week, it's about crafting a story that justifies every move. For the HO, these nominations will define how the rest of the house and the fans view their gameplay. Were they bold and strategic, or reckless and short-sighted? Only time will tell. Stay tuned, because as we've learned many times before, the Big Brother house never stays calm for long. Week 7's nominations have opened the door for chaos, betrayal, and perhaps even redemption. And with the next veto competition just around the corner, the drama is only getting started. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe our Beyond Big Brother YouTube channel for more update news.